Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Sakil. Do you struggle to find the right words when speaking English? Do you wish you could speak more fluently and confidently? If so, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to share some of the most effective tips and techniques to help you speak English like a pro. Firstly, immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English media and practice daily. Secondly, focus on expanding your vocabulary, learning new words, and using them in daily life and the context. Lastly, practice speaking with others as much as possible. Even if you make mistakes, confidence comes with practice. Practice is the key to success. Let's get started with the video. Stay tuned until it ends.
In audio.
Section 1 Importance of Fluency. Fluency in English is more than just knowing the grammar and vocabulary. It's about being able to express your thoughts smoothly and confidently. Whether you are preparing for an interview, giving a presentation, or simply chatting with friends, being fluent in English can open up so many important opportunities for you. So let's dive into how you can achieve that. तो फ्लुएंसी मैटर करता है इंग्लिश में, तो डेवलप फ्लुएंसी and work on fluency. Section 2 Tip number 1 Practice speaking daily. First things first, practice makes perfect. Make it a habit to speak in English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can start by talking to yourself in the mirror or chatting with a language partner. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Remember, it's all about consistency. यहाँ पे consistency मैटर करता है स्पीकिंग में. Section 3 tip number 2 Think in English. Next, try thinking in English instead of translating from your native language. It might be challenging at first, but with practice, you will notice that you start forming sentences faster. A great way to practice this is by describing your day or planning your tasks in English. This technique can significantly speed up your fluency. तो फ्लुएंसी डेवलप करता है प्रैक्टिस से एंड थिंकिंग से. Section 4 Tip 3 Expand your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary is essential for fluency. Try to learn a new word every day and use it in sentences. There are many tools available like flashcards or apps that can help you with this. The key is not just to know the words, but to be able to use them effortlessly in conversation. तो vocabulary strong करो जितना हो सके. It will gradually improve your English. And this is the key factor of English speaking. Section 5 Tip 4 Focus on pronunciation. Pronunciation plays a crucial role in fluency. Even if you have a strong vocabulary, unclear pronunciation can make it difficult for others to understand you. Listen to native speakers, mimic their accents, and use pronunciation apps to practice. Over time, this will help you speak more clearly and confidently. सो प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी मैटर करता है, ज़्यादातर प्रोनाउंसिएशन ही मैटर करता है. Section 6, tip number 5. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. The more you speak, the more you learn. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to improve, so embrace them. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट द मिस्टेक्स के लिए चिंतित मत होना, क्योंकि मिस्टेक ही हम लोगों को करेक्टनेस की दिशा दिखाते हैं. तो कीप डूइंग मिस्टेक एंड यू विल बी प्यूरिफाइड. सेक्शन 7, टिप 6. Watch English content. Finally, immerse yourself in English by watching movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English. This not only helps you get familiar with different accents, but also introduces you to new expressions and slang. Plus, it's a fun way to learn English. So keep watching English content like मूवीज़ वगैरह देखना इंग्लिश में. मतलब अगर ऐसा है कि प्रॉब्लम है तो सबटाइटल में भी देख सकते हैं. तो लास्ट वन इज़ कंक्लूजन एंड कॉल टू एक्शन. टू सम अप, प्रैक्टिस डेली, थिंक इन इंग्लिश, एक्सपांड योर vocabulary, focus on pronunciation, don't fear mistakes, and watch English content. With these tips, you will be speaking English fluently in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to learn English with Sakil for more tips like this. Let me know in the comment section which tip you like the most, or share your own tips for improving fluency. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.